YouTube. It's that time again.
A.O.G.
So we're gonna go ahead and start off saturating the hair. Basically what I want to do is get the hair saturated right with water and separate the parietal ridge area, and then I want to go ahead and adjust the length so I can show the customer and get approval. And once I get the approval, I'm going to go ahead and cut my first guide line. And then from that guideline, I'm going to work my way all the way to the back. Taking it easy on the process. Definitely don't want to go ahead and cut your fingers or anything. It's definitely a process, man, learning how to use shears. But once you get accustomed to it, man, you'll be able to fly through here like easily. So then I'm going to go ahead and set myself up with a number 2, removing all the excessive bulk. This cut is actually going to be a low fade. And basically what I'm doing is just cleaning out all that bulk. Performing a little bit of clip over comb. I mean, these are just techniques that I use. Everybody has their own style. So I'm gonna start off my first guideline. Removing the excessive hairs. I believe I don't use a shaver on this one, man. He didn't want a bald fade. He just wanted a fade. Shadow fade, actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and come in with my open blade and work my way all the way to the back, drop. I'm actually using the Wall Seniors So limited edition clipper here. This machine is still a beast, got power. Now I'm coming in with a 1. With the 1 open, I'm gradually opening it. Setting up myself for this second guideline. Making sure I brush out. Then I'm coming in with my half guard. I believe open, removing any of those dark spots that I see. Gradually closing it little by little. Working the process, man. Definitely in the barber field, man, you gotta have patience, man, when you're working on these cuts. So still coming in the process, looking for them dark spots to take out. Remove, actually. Then I'm gonna go ahead and come in with my guard close to remove that bottom line of the first guideline that I made, and then little by little opening it up, just getting those making sure that guideline is out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and come in with my slim lines and make my C cut. Making sure I brush the hairs down, make sure that C cup comes out nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and repeat the same process over. Definitely having fun in the process, man. You definitely want to make sure, man, that you're enjoying what you're doing. I always look at this whole barbering thing as art. You're the artist. You put the pencil in your hand, but this time you're using the trimmer. And you're gonna go ahead and draw out that picture. If that makes any sense. So yeah, man, if you're liking these videos, man, definitely give me a thumbs up. Leave your comment. Either you don't like it or you do like it. Either way, man, it's a learning experience for me too. I mean, I'm definitely open for any feedback. So now I'm gonna go ahead and perform the shear over comb. Just doing some detail work there. Removing excessive bulk that I see. Coming in with a 3, remove any other excessive bulk that I may be looking at. Just trying to keep the area clean. I think this cut is looking pretty good, man. But at the end of the whole process, man, what matters is what the customer thinks. Definitely want to be able to satisfy the customer, man, in your cuts, man. Making sure that you get the okay from them. Which actually, this customer here lets me know that the cut was good. Now I'm coming in with my, I believe it's a 1. Removing any excessive dark spots that I see. Slowly working the process. I mean, once you've cut hair, man, you start to develop your own system. A system that actually is gonna work for you. So don't get frustrated, man. You just keep going. Doing a little more detail work. Cool.